Hey there, radicals! Ever felt like you're just not feeling your best even though there's no apparent reason? Well, your body might be signaling for a much-needed detox. A detox isn't just a trendy health term. It's a process that can help reset your body, improve your energy levels, and promote overall wellness. From unexpected headaches to unexplained fatigue, your body may be telling you it's time for a cleanse. Stick around because we're diving into the signs that suggest you might need a detox. So what are these signs that scream detox needed? Well, let's dive into that. One of the most common signs is constipation. If your body isn't regularly eliminating waste, harmful toxins can build up in your system. This could be a clue that your body is begging for a detox. Next sign, skin problems. You know those annoying breakouts, rashes, and unexplained dryness? Your skin is your body's largest organ and a major exit route for toxins. When your body is overloaded, it can cause various skin issues. Then the next sign is bloating. If you're feeling bloated more often than not, it could be a sign that your digestive system is struggling to process toxins and could use a detox to help. Then there is unexplained headaches, particularly those that seem to come from nowhere. These could be a result of toxins stimulating your nervous system, causing headaches. Belly fat is another signal. Toxins can interfere with your metabolism, leading to weight gain, particularly around the belly. So if you're struggling to lose that belly fat, a detox might be in order. Indigestion? Yes, that too. If you're experiencing frequent indigestion, it could be a sign that your body is having a hard time processing certain foods and could benefit from a detox. Body odor is another telltale sign. If you're noticing an unusual or strong body odor, it might be your body trying to expel toxins through your sweat glands. Lack of energy and fatigue are also major signs. If you're constantly feeling tired, even after a good night's sleep, it might be due to a buildup of toxins draining your energy. Lastly, there is brain fog. Difficulty concentrating, poor memory, lack of focus, and feeling cloudy can all be signs that your body is overloaded with toxins that are affecting your brain function. All of these signs are supported by scientific evidence and research findings, which show that a buildup of toxins can lead to these symptoms. If you're experiencing a combination of these symptoms, it might be your body telling you, "Hey, I need a cleanse." So pay attention to these signs. Your body is always communicating with you, and it's our job to listen and respond appropriately. Now that we've identified the signs, what's the solution? Detox, of course. You see, detoxing is like hitting a reset button for your body. It's about flushing out toxins that have accumulated over time due to unhealthy eating habits, lack of exercise, and stress. It's a process that helps you regain your energy, clear your mind, and improve your overall well-being. But remember, detoxing isn't about starving yourself or following a fad diet. It's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients it needs to function optimally. And this is where the 21 Days Raw Challenge comes in. This challenge is designed to help you incorporate more raw fruits and vegetables into your diet, reduce processed foods, and kickstart your wellness journey. Now, why 21 days, you might wonder? Well, it's believed that it takes around 21 days to form a new habit. So, by the end of this challenge, you'll have not only detoxed your body, but also cultivated a healthier eating habit. And while you're at it, don't forget to listen to your body. It's your best guide. If something feels off, it probably is. If something feels right, it probably is. Your body knows what it needs, you just have to listen. Remember, it's not about a quick fix, but a lifestyle change. So, radicals, are you ready to listen to your body and give it the detox it might be craving? That's the key takeaway for today. Recognizing the signs of needing a detox, such as constipation, skin problems, bloating, unexplained headaches, belly fat, indigestion, body odor, lack of energy and fatigue, and brain fog. These are your body's subtle ways of waving a red flag, urging you to take a step back and reassess your health habits. Now, if you're feeling inspired to kickstart your wellness journey, why not join our 21 Days Raw Challenge? Or even better, become a part of our Raw Fam membership on Patreon. Here, you'll find year-long support and accountability on your wealth journey, which encompasses wellness, health, and wealth. The link to register is in the description section. Remember, your journey to better health begins today. Not tomorrow, not next week, but today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, Raw love my radicals.